Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to do dropshipping with AliExpress. First of all, in the AliExpress application, you should search for products with good reviews, reliable seller, and fast shipping. And for your convenience, I recommend you to save the links of that product that you want to sell. And then you need to set up your own online store using external platforms. For example, it could be TikTok shop, Instagram shop, Amazon, whatever suits you the best. And once your store is ready, upload the product photos and write a clear and simple description of your product. Set a price that covers the AliExpress cost, shipping, and of course your profit. And when a customer places an order, you should go back to AliExpress and place the order using your customer's name and shipping address. And AliExpress will ship the item directly to your customer. And that's very convenient because you don't need to hold any inventory. All you need to do is update your customer with tracking information and handle any questions if they come up. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.